Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with You. This is Chan, and for today's video, we are making durian tapioca pudding. With this controversial fruit, people will love it or hate it, but that's the risk I'm willing to take because I love anything durian. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 800 grams of durian, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup sugar, 500 milliliter of water, and half a cup of tapioca pearls soaked at least for 15 minutes. To prep the durian, we're removing the pit with the help of a spoon. I personally find it a lot easier than using both hands. So the durian that I have was frozen, therefore it's a lot mushier than fresh durian. So now that we removed all of the pits from the durian pieces, we're mashing it up a little and also searching for any hard pieces like the inner husk, like this piece right here, which is wider than the durian fiber. In a medium-sized pot on medium heat, we're pouring in the 500 milliliter of water, sugar, salt, and coconut milk. Stir it until the sugar is dissolved and everything is incorporated. Now let's add the soaked and drained tapioca pearls. Make sure to stir frequently, otherwise this tapioca pearls will sink to the bottom and get stuck to the bottom of the pan and form pearl chunks. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes for the tapioca pearls to cook and thicken the mixture. So my advice is to taste the tapioca pearls often to avoid overcooking it. So if they're soft, they're pretty much ready. Now that our tapioca pearls are soft, let's add in 3/4 of the durian into the mixture. We will keep the remaining for the topping, so stir until the durian is well incorporated to the mixture. Once everything is combined, turn off the heat. Transfer the pudding to a large bowl. Let it cool down in room temperature, then transfer it to the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. It's supposed to be chilled. Top it with the remaining durian and add some more tapioca, which you can boil in water, and then serve. There you go, durian tapioca pudding. So easy and so quick to make. Just don't stick up your entire house and turn on the fan. So if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section